Flush the toilet and remove remaining water from both the tank and bowl before uninstalling to prevent spills and water damage. Start by turning off the water supply at the shutoff valve behind the toilet, and confirm it is fully closed by attempting a second flush until the tank stops refilling. Use a sturdy bucket or large cup to scoop and discard the bulk of the bowl water into a floor drain or utility sink, tipping slowly to avoid splashes. For the tank, remove the lid carefully and use a large syringe or hand pump to extract residual water from hard-to-reach areas around the fill valve and overflow tube. Small wet-dry vacuums work quickly if available. Next, insert a wet vacuum hose into the bowl trap from the top and create a seal at the rim with a rag while vacuuming to pull remaining water from the trap area. If neither a wet vacuum nor syringe are available, use absorbent towels or a mop to soak the last traces from the bowl and tank, wringing into your bucket and repeating until dry. Always wear waterproof gloves and eye protection, and place rags or a small tarp around the base to protect flooring while you disconnect the supply line and remove mounting bolts. Common mistakes include leaving the shutoff valve partially open, which lets the tank slowly refill and causes spills. And the quick fix is to turn off the main house supply temporarily if the valve is faulty. Another issue is assuming the bowl is empty after a single scoop, which leaves residual water in the trap. Using a wet vacuum or repeating syringe extraction prevents that. People also forget to protect the floor and nearby fixtures from drips during removal, so place absorbent mats and a shallow pan under the supply line before loosening fittings. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share tips and trade experiences about projects like toilet removal. We help contractors find work by letting them list services and engage directly with homeowners and community members.